the big story, vowing to veto.
There's a renewed push in Lansing to reform Michigan's auto insurance, but the legislation could be in limbo.
That's because Governor Whitmer is not on board with this. She blasted the bills today, saying she's done playing games and that she's only going to sign a bill that protects drivers.
The legislature is looking to reduce rates by making drastic changes to the state's no-fault auto insurance. The House passed its version shortly after 2 a.m. today.
And we're asking you tonight, should the governor sign the auto insurance reform bill? Go to WXYZ.com/vote to weigh in on this.
Meantime, 7 Action News reporter Simon Shaykat shows us what's likely to happen next.
The governor says when it comes to auto insurance rates, the next step that needs to happen will involve intense negotiations with members of the House and the Senate to get the exact guarantees she wants into law so all of us can save money when we drive the roads here in Michigan.
The bill that passed last night preserves a system that allows discrimination in rate setting based on non-driving factors. It lacks any consumer protection whatsoever.
Governor Gretchen Whitmer holding firm on her pledge to deliver auto insurance reforms with a new law drivers have called for. Yet she and Republicans in both the House and Senate don't seem to agree on some crucial details.
There is no guarantee that rates will actually roll back for everyone.
There is a free market approach that many believe is important when you're passing this reform. People in the state of Michigan see guaranteed rate reduction in the plan, and that's why we delivered it.
Are you clear on what the governor wants added to this legislation?
No, I'm not clear at this point.
Bottom line, Whitmer wants a bill with guaranteed savings built in and an end to discriminatory practices like rate hikes based on marital status, gender, zip codes, and credit ratings. She's already pledged to veto fast-track Senate legislation that passed and a tweaked House bill lowering auto insurance rates from $120 to $1,200 a year for drivers, saying it's not enough. So now negotiations become the next step.
I can tell you we're going to have a compromise with the Senate and the House and get a bill to the governor's desk as soon as possible.
What I will tell you is this: those conversations will continue throughout this weekend and into next week.
For now, Michigan has the highest average premiums in the country, and drivers are required to buy unlimited medical coverage from an auto insurer to cover crash injuries. And the House Speaker says despite the differences that have been discussed, he remains deeply committed to working together also with the Senate and the governor to making sure they come up with the best possible solution to this issue. However, no timetable has been set yet. From the Capitol, Simon Shaykat, 7 Action News.
The ex